On today's episode of another problem with my RTX 3090. So I just get on my computer this morning and my graphics card is making noise, specifically the pump. This is the EVGA Hybrid kit that I added to this RTX 3090 because I didn't have a hybrid at the time when these first came out, the very first week of launch date. So I got some pump noise. I got some, sounds like some air bubbles in here. So I took these tubes up, I lifted them all the way up. The noise stopped, so it tells me there's air in there. So I'm gonna have to bring this graphics card, bring it all the way down, try and shake it a little bit and see if I can get those air bubbles to go to the very, very top of this radiator, and then no more noise. Yeah, it does feel like I'm going crazy. It's like one thing after another. Getting those spots on the screen, and then having some pump noise. But anyways, that's all it is. Temps are still good, so